Hello guys, so today I'll be walking you through how to reserve a business name on CAC platform. So all you need to do is, if you want to reserve a business name, the first thing you need to do is click on new name reservation, because if you don't have a name reservation, there is no way you can register a business name or company or incorporated trustee. So all you need to do is click on new name reservation firstly, then you can decide to go through all this information and others. But if you are going for business registration, just follow this tutorial. I'll walk you through all the accurate steps you need to follow. So the first thing you need to do is classification. What kind of registration do you want to do? Is it a business name? Is it company, incorporated trustee, limited partnership, limited liability partnership? I'm registering a business name, so which is what I'm going to select. Then this information will pop up and blah blah, just to educate you on what you are about to do. So after that, select specific type. Is your business a sole proprietorship business, or you are in partnership with some other people? So since my business, if your business is sole proprietorship, just click on sole proprietorship. Then after that, you will be asked to propose names. You will be given two options. But what I will tell you is, make sure the best option or the number one option name which you have is put on option 1, because if those two names are available, it is the option 1 that will be given. Okay, so let me just say, for instance, I want to register Kamarudin Alonle as a business name, for instance, and I can decide to go for Kamarudin Alonle Nuruddin. As the second option. Now after that, click on save and continue. So once you click on save and continue, all you need to do is reason for availability search. It will be asked, is it change of name, group holdings, blah blah. It is new incorporation or registration you're going to select. So nature of business, you have to select a specific nature of your business. The nature of these are the listed natures available at the moment. So if your business is all about accommodation and food processing, just select a category that fits your business best here. So in case you are not seeing your business category, you can decide to select others or other service activities. So I'll be using professional, scientific and technical activities. So now under this professional, scientific and technical activities, these are all the options listed. You can see advertising and marketing research, accounting, so on. So whatever the kind of category your business belongs to, check it here, then select it. Select the category. I'm still looking at all these categories, although I know none of this will fit in my category actually, but I decided to select that just to show you that each of the business category you are selecting will determine the kind of nature of business, the specific nature of business that will appear here. The list that will appear here, it will affect it. So I am in the education sector, so I'm going to be selecting education. So under education, you can see we have other options for education. I am into vocational education and training services, or let me just go ahead and say educational services and consultancy. Then put the specific information about your business. It doesn't have to be the whole thing you do, but there is limit to what you can put into this box here. So you have to just shorten maybe the information you're going to put. So I'll quickly put some information about my business now. So the next thing now is, after putting the information about your business, click on save and continue. So we just finished name and type, followed by objective. So we are not going to preview of the information we just provided on this platform. So click on click on save and continue. So once you click on save and continue, it will bring you to this particular platform where you're going to see all the information you supplied already. Then if all the information are correct, you can decide to save and continue. If I'm going to reserve this name now, all I need to do is click on pay via remitter. So I'm going to click on remitter. So it will take me to remitter website. So all you need to do is, if all this information is yours, all you need to do is click on submit.
Click on the bit.
So once you click on submit, you will be asked to input your card details. Once you input all your card details and other information, a message will be sent to your phone number which you use to register the account which own the card which you are presenting on this platform. And after confirmation, you make payment. So after your payment has been made, the next thing is you will receive a message on CAC platform. On CAC website, you will be able to see that the name which you are trying to reserve will be under pending or review. So after it has been approved, you will receive a message in your email telling you the business name has been approved. So let me quickly show you the message you receive when it is approved, when the name which you try to reserve is approved. So if your business name is approved, you'll be able to see information about the you'll be able to receive this mail, name reservation approval. So you will see your name availability application has been approved. Then the name that is approved will show here. Then you will have this code. There will be a code, activation code or availability code that will be attached to your business name. So they will ask you to click here to log in, or you just go on CAC website, then log in. Once you log in, you will be able to see, let me quickly log in. So you'll be able to see the name under reserve. But if the name is just submitted, you will see it under pending or queried. If it is under pending, you will not receive any message. If it is queried, it means maybe that name is already in use, or it can also be denied. So if the two are denied, you need to look for another name to register again. Then after that, you continue with your registration. So this one is showing reserved. So a reserved note will be there. So after that, you can decide to continue registration with it. So in our next class, I'll be showing us how to go about with registering a name that is already approved, a name that's already reserved for registration. So see you in the next class. Bye bye.